guys, welcome to my channel, Sweet Pink Home. I'm Elizabeth and thanks so much for joining me. I do a video every Tuesdays and Thursdays. Tuesdays being about mom life and intentional living, and Thursdays about fashion. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about Marie Kondo method and how it's helped me spark joy in other areas of my life. Now, if you don't know who Marie Kondo is, she is an author that wrote a book called The Magic of Tidying Up, and also she has a new Netflix series about the magic of tidying up, how she goes and meets people and shows them how to tidy up their home. And what she does is she's an organizer, and so she organizes based on category, not based on room of the house. And the one area that she starts with is the clothes, and then she moves on from there. Well, what she does is when she has you pick up an item of clothes, she asks, does it spark joy? And if it doesn't spark joy per se, then you thank the item for the service that it's provided for you and move forward. The reason that this works, I think, is because it's about the magic of tidying up in the moment, which leads to a lifetime of tidiness. So basically, you're being more intentional about the items that you bring into your house and about the clothes that you wear, and knowing that they make you feel magical. Now, I know for me, basically, it's changed my relationship with stuff. And what I mean by that is now when I go to the store and I pick something up, I'm intentional. I say, okay, is this going to bring me joy in the end? I mean, obviously, there are things you have to buy, like laundry soap and dish soap and all that kind of stuff. But I mean, I'm talking about like the impulse buys and that sort of thing. And my example is how Marie Kondo has helped me with basically my self-improvement is I love fast food. Now, I'm not going to lie. It does spark joy for me. But I had to find different reasons that it didn't spark joy in order to get on the right track as far as wanting to lose weight and that sort of thing. Because lately, I'm going to be honest with you guys, my clothes have not fit properly, and that doesn't spark joy in the end. And so, essentially, what I've been doing is I am a fast food junkie. I will be the first to admit that. I love fast food. But now, when I find myself going in that direction, I ask myself, I'm intentional. Okay, does this moment right here, this moment that I'm going to like drink this soda or, you know, put this cheeseburger in my mouth, is it going to spark joy in the end? No, because it's going to affect all the other areas in my life. Not only my life, but my kids' life, because they'll see that, you know, I'm living a not so healthy life. And so that is just the ways that the Marie Kondo method has definitely helped me with self-improvement in regards to fast food, but also in exercising. I do not like exercising so much. It's just really hard. But I've been trying to find ways to have it spark joy in the end. And the way I've done that is, okay, so I work out, and, you know, I got to get myself to the point, mind over matter per se, to even get there to exercise. And so when I think of exercising and sparking joy, it really doesn't. But I think of the end result, and that is where it sparks joy. And what I've done is I have a picture of myself when I was thinner, and I put it up on my wall. And so every day that I feel like I don't want to work out, I look at that picture. And that picture sparks joy, thus giving me joy to work out. I mean, I know it's only temporary, but the end result is going to be better. The end result is going to be better. That's what I keep telling myself. The end result is going to be better. And so Marie Kondo really teaches you about sparking joy. That's what spark joy. Well, maybe not right at that moment. It doesn't spark joy. And maybe that one thing that does spark joy isn't healthy for you. So just be intentional about how you choose to spark joy in your life as far as Marie Kondo is concerned. Now, if you haven't seen the video already, it's by the Holderness family, I believe is what they're called. And I'm going to link it down below. It's a pretty funny one about how the dad has been Marie Kondoed. And I know for my husband, he went through that with me as well when I started my minimalism journey before Marie Kondo was even introduced into my life. And so I'm going to link that video down below, guys. But I hope this video helps somebody out there that's struggling with their New Year's resolution and self-improvement, self-care, that sort of thing. Because that thing like exercise might not spark joy at the moment, but you have to think about in the end, is it going to spark joy? Is it going to spark joy when you look in the mirror and you like what you see? Now, as far as the number on the scale, I don't care about that. Because my daughter had a journey with her eating disorder, and we found that the number doesn't matter. It's about how you feel inside and how your body feels inside and how your emotions are. Because it is very important to nourish yourself. And whether you're 160 pounds or 110 pounds, if you're not healthy, that number doesn't matter. And so for me, it's more about getting healthy than it is about being skinny and that sort of thing. So as far as the number on the scale, that doesn't pertain to me. But anyway, guys, I hope this video encourages somebody out there that's kind of struggling with their New Year's resolution. And be blessed, guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye.